What's up, world? It's JimmyIrvin on the beat. About to make a trap beat. Let's slow it down. 125. Okay. Xpand, one of my favorite plugins. Start off with this. Let's make a melody. Start off with some chords. I'll make these actually longer. I'm gonna strum these Alt-S. Let me get a counter melody. That sound cool. Copy it to this side. Then copy these two. You see it's real basic. Alright, let me add another sound. Expand. I'm gonna be using 𝗲𝗏𝗧 2 real soon. Not on this video, but soon. Alright, let's see what we can come up with. I'm gonna lay something out. And then change the sound. Yeah, I'm gonna change the sound real fast. Go through a few of them. That wasn't too bad. I like that. I'm gonna copy it. Get some more strings. Just layer it. Make it 1 octave up. Turn it down a little bit. I use Alt and scroll down with the wheel, but it gotta be selected. That sounds cool. Do the hi-hat and triplets. So how you do that, you go to this horseshoe, and 1/3. Got a paintbrush, just paint them out. See at the last one, or right here, I kind of wanted to do a little rodeo type. You'll get what I'm talking about right now. Alright, that's cool. if I can find a snare. I'm gonna use this snare. Let's have some perks. Let's add this 808, then we'll be partially lightweight done. If you can blend both of those. Alright, right click, cut itself, and then do this so it won't be repeating. Boom. Alright, 808 time. Let's start high to low. Boost up my velocity so it'll hit hard. That sounds pretty cool. Throw it in the mixer. All I did was right click, and then you can go to this right here, or the shortcut is Shift Control L, but make sure these are highlighted, because if not, it ain't gonna work. So let me hear this. Get the EQ, take out some of the lows. I'm gonna right click, pull it out until it sounds like too thin, and then bring it back. Drums, I'm gonna just bring up the high end a little bit by 1.8 decibels, just so that adds some air to it. Alright, now I'm gonna grab all of these and then go to the end, Control Shift on Windows, or there you go, and then just swipe across and it should work. Alright, now level the 808 first. I'm gonna go for like 15 decibels. Yeah, 15 dB. Clap. It's better to not look at the screen and mix it, but you know, if you're a beginner, just do what you gotta do to get the best result. turn the melody up to where you can barely hear it, because once you bring it up, it's gonna be sitting a little bit behind the drums, so that's how you get that feel. I think I'm gonna add secret sauce to this. Blend it in 50%. Okay. So now we're gonna do a little master, a little secret JimmyIrvin master. Go to get your Fruity Soft Clipper, and it's not gonna be like this every video, trust me. It's just this the poor man's master. It make the beat knock though, super hard. Alright, so from there, let's play it, go to the first soft clipper and just bring it up all the way. And on the threshold, look to the left right here, if it's showing on the screen, and just put that like -10 decibels. Now I'm gonna go to the second one and do the same thing, but I'm watching the meter. Now I'm going to the third one, doing the same thing. And I'm gonna go to where it sounds distorted, and then I'm gonna bring it back. About right there sounds cool. Okay, now I'm gonna lay out the beat. Use that as the intro. That's the hook. So let's start it with, I'm gonna start it with these two sounds. And drums. Like this. Add the tag. Turn it down.
JimmyIrvin on the beat. JimmyIrvin on the beat.
That's it. Just make a little outro. If you did like this or learn something from this, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get better at this. I'll see you next time. I'm out.